Welcome to our tutorial about the drafted filleted pocket. We can find this command on the Sketch-based Features toolbar on the Pockets sub-toolbar. I'm going to select this profile. The first limit gives us the depth of this pocket. Let's enter 3/4 of an inch. The second limit is this phase, where the pocket originates. In the draft area, I'm going to enter an angle of 10 degrees. Hit the Tab key. Our neutral element will be the second limit. Here, we can add 3 different fillets. Let's click Preview. The lateral radius belongs to these 4 fillets. The first limit radius, or the radius associated with the first limit, is the bottom of the pad. And the second limit radius, or the radius associated with the second limit, is the radius of this fillet. I can also choose from which side of the profile I want to remove material by clicking on this arrow. Okay, now let's click Preview. Our pocket looks more like a pad. Let's reverse the direction and preview again. Click OK. We have a drafted filleted pocket. As you can see in our specification tree, instead of one entry, we have a few entries. We've got a regular pocket, a draft, and 3 different edge fillets. If I click on any of these features, I will access a dialog box in which I can edit the feature's parameters. And this concludes our review of the drafted filleted pocket.